Guys, we got a major issue here. The town drains just backed up due to a 15-minute storm. They must have been blocked or something and flooded our fucking shop. The fucking absolute disaster. Flooded the basement, flooded the shop. Thank God these are all dirt bikes and it didn't go up over the axles or they'd all be fucking ruined. But all my tools that are on the floor and all our equipment, our computer system, everything's fucking destroyed. Fucking absolute fucking disaster. Jesus Christ. Fucking so sick of this shit. Of course the goddamn floor drains don't work because the fucking town sewers are backed up. Fucking disaster. Absolute fucking disaster. Got a fucking river running down into the fucking basement. Holy shit. What a fucking nightmare. Jesus H.